Hi and welcome everyone. My name is Ivan, and today we'll be focusing on one simple and typical business scenario which happens in the trading company, and help us in that eLeed ERP software, simple centralized solution which provides control over various business processes. If you watched our previous videos, then you probably already know the interface of the program and the main objects of the general model. How to create counterparties and inventories which we are going to use in our business flow. If not, you can find them in our channel, and I will share links for them in description to this video. Okay, go ahead and let me show how to create customer order in eLeed ERP system and send Proforma invoice to the customer. How to do it with VAT and without, because your company may be applicable for VAT or not. Let's review this typical business scenario in the flowchart. It is important to note that following data required for creation this business scenario. Inventory product with set selling prices and some balances in the warehouse. Customer counterparties, the creation of which we discussed in previous video. Also, this business scenario demonstrates using one user profile, sales representative. Looking through this flowchart, we will be guided by following notations. Rectangle is some type of action has been done by ERP system user. This icon shows us name of the used report and the path to it. And this icon is name of the document. Okay, at the beginning customer approached to the sales team to buy a particular product. Sales team share price list to the customer using price list report. We are going to reports, sales, price list. In the settings windows we define report display options by what we wanted to see report. Currency, particular inventory or inventory group. Select type of prices you wanted to get in the report. Available for selection only types based upon the access settings of current user. Show goods options only with free quantity or any other options. And you may specify exactly store or do it across all the stores. Clicking OK, we get generated report which can be used to view list of latest selling prices for products. It can be printed or export to the Excel document and sent to the customer. At the same time or after that, sales representative can generate inventory balance report. Going to reports, sales, inventory balance report. Same in the settings windows, we define the report display options. Date and time on which we wanted to generate report. Branch. Account. By default it's specified inventories account, but we may check balances on any other from the chart of account. Store. Options grouped by store, display reserves, inventory and inventory group. Okay, this report shows us balances for each product and can be printed or export to the file. And finally, the stage of creation customer order itself. We are planning to use existing customer which is already stored in our system or add new customer. Specify all needful terms and conditions of supply. Select products in inventory table part and their quantity. Assign task for the purchase department if products are not in stock. We may open customer order with two ways. Go into Documents, Sales, Customer Order, or choose the appropriate registry for that. Registry, Sales, Customer Orders. In this registry we can see all created and posted transactions or documents shown in Options tab or in this drop-down button upon specified period, created and posted by a specified user, and from the specific department. So after creating and posting our customer order, we will easily find it here in the list. Okay, we are clicking on customer order. In customer order we have general part, inventories, reserve and order table part. Let's say we have existing customer Lightspeed distribution. How to create entities we covered in previous video. All terms defined in counterparty get populated automatically in general part of document. We just specify an exit point, shipping date, indicate purchase manager and store for orders, as our customer order will be included particular products which are not in stock. So purchase task for this relevant department will be created. In inventories table part we fill up the products what we agreed to sell to our customer. It's possible to do with plus button, insert button on the keyboard and selection button. In the selection mode you are able to see only products which are present in stock. Means was purchased before and posted in our ERP system. So in our case, as I said before, we are going to use products which are not in stock. So we are using plus or insert button. Let's say we are adding Canon MF237 printer, pointing 100 pieces quantity. Prices and cost are get populated automatically. Profit has been calculated. At once we must to take our attention to reserve and order table parts. We can see that 80 pieces is free stock and will be reserved on posting this transaction. 20 pieces are shortage and should be purchased. To assign a purchase task for this 20 pieces quantity, purchase manager and stock fields might be filled out before posting this document. These two buttons are used to define purchase manager and stock if it doesn't pre-populate it automatically. Let's do the same with Sharp Scanner. 40 quantity. One of the most important fields related to VAT is sales type field. By default, it is outside scope of VAT. You can use this type if you are still not eligible for VAT. Just click in print button and you can print, save and send this Proforma invoice without VAT to the customer. If you already VAT registrant and must take into account VAT in your ERP system, then you may choose standard rated type or any VAT related types: 0 rated, exempt, intra GCC. Let's choose standard rated type, which means 5% VAT. You may quickly note that all amount related to VAT already recalculated in inventory table part. For generate Proforma invoice included VAT, click on this print VAT included button. And now you are able to print, save, and send Proforma invoice to the customer. After posting customer order, document is valid in the system and we can see it in registry. Resource has been done for selected products. Purchase task also assigned to appropriate purchase department. How to use purchase task reports and perform those tasks with purchase representative role we will review in next videos. Okay, we have to review last step in our flow chart when, let's say, customer change his mind and decide to modify his order, for example increase quantity. When we simply using customer order correction document, it allows us to make any correction on existing customer order, changing prices, quantity. We just select document reference based on what we are going to make correction. Specify all changes you wanted. And pause document. All changes has been applied, task to the purchase department has been updated and document will valid in eLeed system. I hope that is clear and now you get known more how to operate in eLeed ERP system and create simple business flow Proforma invoice. We will continue to review different business cases in the next videos. Please write your business flows in the comments on these videos that you wanted to see in our channel. We will do our best to review it and record new videos on them. Screen Software DMCC sales representatives would be happy to consult you how to automate your business. Please contact them and visit our website for more information. Thank you and see you in the next videos.